Children, today we are going to learn about a very important concept of mathematics, and that concept is fractions. Why do we need fractions in our daily life? Because we do a lot of shared activities every day, and when there is sharing of anything, then fractions play a role in that. So it's very important and very crucial thing we are going to learn, very crucial concept we are going to learn, and that is equivalent fractions. So if we have a stick and we have to divide that into two parts, for example, we have a stick and that stick is divided to two parts. Two parts. The stick is one and that is divided into two parts. Stick is divided into two parts. So each part will be 1/2. One stick and in two parts. And second example is this was the first example. And now this is the second example in which the same stick and length of the stick doesn't change and the same stick is divided into four parts. One, two, three, four. Each part is equal, means that stick has been divided into four equal parts. So then value of each part will be 1/4 because that has been divided into four parts. So its numerator will be 1, and denominator 1 means each part, and denominator will be 4. That means that has been divided into four parts. So each part will be 1/4 or 1/4. Value of this part, value of this part, and value of this part, and value of this part. This is going to be 4. Then we can write this 1/2 is equal to 2 1/4. 1/4 plus 1/4. We have taken this 1/2 of this part and we have taken 1/4 of two number stick. 1/4 plus 1/4 means 1/2 is equal to 2 1/4. That also can be written 2/4 or 2 1/4. So I'm going to write that the 1 by 2, you have to memorize that to go further. Yes, yes, we omit and clear our whiteboard first. Then again we take pen and uh, now 1 by 2 is equal to 2 into, this is the sign of multiplication. Do you know? 2 1 by 4 or 2 by 4, the same thing. 2 by 4. Oh. So 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4. Here we see that value of both the sides is equal. We have changed only names. This is 1 by 2, and on the left hand side 1 by 2, and on the right hand side we made that or converted to that into 2 by 4. So these are equivalent fractions. Why do we do this? Because we change. If we have another thing, we have to add two fractions which are not equal. Those are called unequal fractions. So first we make them equal. If we have to compare them, add them, subtract them, we will have to make them equal. Equal means denominator will be, if their denominator is going to be equal, then those fractions will be equal. So their value doesn't change and we will have to make them equal. Means how do we make them equal? Means we have, if we are going to change 1 by 2, we multiply numerator to, that was the concept. 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4, and if that is multiplied in background, means this is the concept we have learned. Those two are equal, and if we do that mathematically, yes, if we are going to do that mathematically, that is not going to be changed. So 2 by 4, anything, any fraction, if that is turned into equivalent fraction, that is called, its value is not going to be changed. So we make fractions equal. Why? Because we have to add them, subtract them, and, and compare them. And that those operations, adding, subtracting, and comparing, can only be done when fractions are equal. And first we make our fractions equal by multiplying upper side, that is called numerator, and the side which is under the numerator, that is denominator. So both the sides will be multiplied by the same number. 1 by 2 also can be changed. Here, to make equivalent fractions, we have multiplied its upper side and downside with 2, but the same thing can be done if 1 by 2 and we multiply numerator by 3 and we multiply numerator by 3, or in other words, we also can say if we multiply the quantity and divide the quantity by the same number, its value is not going to be changed. So its value will be 3 by 6. So very important thing we have learned that 1 by 2, 2 by 4, and now this is 3 by 6 are all equal. So first we will write 1 by 2 equal to 2 by 4, and that is equal to 3 by 6. Means those all are equivalent fractions and their names have been changed, but not the values. So you can think same named person is nicknamed, and so its properties don't change. Its nature doesn't change. If anybody is Philip, he will be Phil, or Philip. Whatever you call him, he will remain the Philip. So equivalent fractions to concept. If we multiply by any number, that may be, for example, 5 numerator and 5 denominator, then its value is not 5 by 10, is also equal to 1 by 2. So this also new number 5 by 10. And if we have to add any numbers which are unequal, then what we do, first make them equal. Means we multiply upper side numerator and denominator with equal number, and then we add them.